Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look, and I did it with a lot of ColourPop eyeshadows, pigments, and I did like a halo over under my black eyeliner, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was very fun. So if you want to see how I did it, keep on watching. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a thin layer of glitter glue, and I'm only doing this because I work all night, and I just need some shadow insurance. If you hear a vacuum, for some reason the lady is vacuuming my apartment building. Whatever. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this gold shade right here and my Super Shock shadow in Lifted, and that's a pink color, so pink and gold. That looks really pretty. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but it looks really pretty in person. So, excuse me. Now I'm going to go in with glitter glue on the other side. So I had these guests yesterday, this younger couple that were probably late teens. They weren't 21 yet because I inquired. They weren't trying to buy alcohol, it just came up. But I never caught their names, but she subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I tell you what, they were the sweetest people ever, and I just had the best time with them because they just let me like feed them and give them good suggestions and things like that. And it's so fun whenever we get to do that as waiters, because it's like all the time we're just like processing, ordering food, everything's in a hurry, and people don't realize how quickly their meal goes. They don't want to go there and have a good time and eat and chat. They just want to shove their face, which is fine, dude. I'm all about that. But let me show you what to get. Let me suggest things. So they were the best. Sweet couple ever. Okay, so that's real simple. Now I'm just going to go in with just a shader brush in with that light color in that NARS palette and just do the outline of it. Okay, so I've decided to go in with this Super Shock shadow and Don't Leave, and I'm just going to put it on like my upper line area, so whenever I put the eyeliner on top of it, it like fades from black to pink. If that makes any sense. There's one down. So there's those. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on my black eyeliner. So kind of has the halo effect around it. Cool. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put on mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, lashes are on. Now I want to try this Pretty Vulgar blush that I got in my BoxyCharm. And I have to say this, that I saw Kathleen Lights get one, and hers was kind of like a muted nude blush. This is hot freaking pink. So, but it'll go with the eyeshadow look today. And I don't have this color in my collection, so I'm not bitching. But I'm going to put it on lightly. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Mary Luminizer highlighter, which I've hit pan severely on. And I got this in like an FC bag or BoxyCharm, I can't remember. But it is my favorite highlighter. I'm going to go ahead and put some of that Super Shock shadow on my lower, under my lower waterline, lash line, that's what we're looking for. And connect the bottom and the top together. I'm not going to put any eyeliner on my waterline today. I think my waterline needs a break. Cool. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Yes, I know my hair looks crazy. I've curled it, yet I haven't styled it yet. If you want to see a video on how I do my hair, please let me know below in the comment section. And yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all on the flip side. Bye! Hey guys, so I just got off work, and I thought I would do an unget ready with me and show you what I do after I get off work and how I kind of debrief and relax before I go to bed. So the first thing I do is I take all of my jewelry off. I actually take this necklace with my rib cage. I don't know if you can see that rib cage. Got my key from when I was in Special Place. Got my star from Christian and Evan, and my little man that I've had since middle school. And then this little box that holds stuff that I found, and I put that on my camera post. Sorry if it was blurry or shook a little bit. Then I take off my watch, and I got this from my friend Evan too. He's so sweet, got me some stuff. And I take off my earrings, and then I do my hair. And I know this is boring to watch, but this is what I do. And usually I have my TV going. My TV means my computer that I watch, like YouTube or Amazon Prime or whatever. And I take out all those bobby pins and I kind of rub my fingers through my hair. Oh yeah, I gotta take off my rings, my wedding ring. Yeah, I don't know if I posted that video or not, but I was telling people the reason I wear the reason I tell people I wear a wedding ring is because I get more respect, because people think I'm more of a family girl and I'm out to try to make money. So I do the same for a watch. People think it looks professional. So I take, oh yeah, and I do glasses too, because I feel like when you wear glasses, people think you're more intelligent and that you're not as ignorant, so they give you more money too. So I wear those. I do have reading glasses, I just don't wear them, which I should, but those ones drive me nuts. So, and then I put up my hair as best as I can, because I just cut it. Like I said, if you all want to see me do a tutorial on how I do my hair, just leave it down in the comments and I will do it. I will take the camera to the bathroom and we will do the hair. Okay, now I'm just going to take off my makeup, and I have my Aveeno wipes that I got, and I am just about out of them, but I ordered them from Amazon and they should be here tomorrow. So I want to show you the makeup look I did today. There's a close-up. I think I fixed my lighting situation so you can see better. There's my makeup. And you can see my red ass face because I've been running around. So I take off my lashes first and I pull from the outside in. And that wasn't too bad. I don't feel any of my real lashes being torn out. So yeah, it's a Wednesday night and we got fucking slammed. And I don't do well with large parties at all. Like, I get really flustered. And I got 2 large parties back to back. And one of them is like friends of the owners. And I'm like, okay, pressure, pressure. And I dropped a pizza on the floor. I put in an order wrong. The kitchen kind of messed up. So, if anybody that I had tonight on a Wednesday night on March 21st had me as a server and you got shitty service, I am sorry. I did the best I can, but in my head I was screaming and I was crying and I wanted to leave. I hated it. Shit stresses me the fuck out. I don't get weeded very often, but when I do, it is serious business. Like, I have literally, like, my brain just falls on the floor and I walk all over it. Like, it's gone. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing. Whenever I get large parties, it's my kryptonite. So I have this ColourPop eyeshadow that I lined and it has stained my face. I can't get it off. I did that the other night too. So I gotta figure out a way to where I can wear it but without it staining my face. I know this is boring. It's me taking my makeup off, but this is what I do. And I put contour on my neck earlier, so I'm going to take that off too. See? And then I do my forehead, and you're like, but you have eyebrows. I just go around them. And if I hit one, then I just clean it up. But my eyebrows are like soup. Like, if you let it sit long enough, like it gets better. For some reason, like, my 2-day eyebrows are better than my 1-day eyebrows. I don't know what that's all about. I hope this isn't too boring. Please give a thumbs up if you like my videos. And yeah, so now I'm going to go in with my skin treatment, and I go in with my rosehip oil from Gaia. And what else do I have? I go in with my hyaluronic acid serum. I go in with my rose water first. And then I have rose water in here that I spray on my face whenever I put my hyaluronic acid on, because it's better if you have water on your face so the hyaluronic acid can soak in. But first I'm going to go ahead and tone my face and get all the excess stuff off that the makeup wipe did not. So this is what the makeup wipe couldn't get. Now I'm sure I just missed places on my makeup area, but still, that's a lot of stuff. I was sweating today, so I kind of get my hairline too. Now I spray my face with my rose water. And then I put a couple drops of this in, and then a couple drops of this. And I put that in my hand. I don't know if you can see that. 4 will do. And then I rub that together and put it all over my face and neck. I got that rose water going too, so. And then I just rub the rest on the back of my hands. Because you can definitely tell somebody's age by the back of their hands. So that's something to think about too. I washed my hands so many times tonight, so I sprayed that rose water in them and put some hyaluronic acid in there too. So I have some really cool videos coming here soon, so make sure you hit the little bell so you get notified right away whenever I put them up. And yeah, that is the end of me, you know, getting unready. I do put on pajamas, but that's putting on clothes, so but if you all want to see vlogs too, just let me know. And yeah, I'm always down for some ideas or wants or whatever. I mean, I'm here for you. So yeah, alright, you all have a wonderful night, and I will see you all on the flip side. Bye.
Get the party.